your power.
My people, this is not TMC TV. My name is Omo Aluke Ajakaye. And right now, we stand up for Ring Road, sake of the International Youth Day road walk. You go remember saying yesterday, when be Youth Day for August 12, all over the world, when you they celebrate, they could do joint session for Edo State and Delta State for the Edo State House of Assembly. Right now, this is not the road walk. And this road walk, now to show Edo people, say youth, they be number one. Youth, now they get ground. And this road walk, now, Edo State government, through the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs, they collaborate with NYSC, National Youth Congress, Edo State Youth Parliament, and other ogbonge youth organizations. Make una follow us for us to bring una updates.
Youth oye! Oye! Youth oye! Oye! Edo youth oye! Oye! Three votes for Edo youth. Goza! 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 One a willow. A willow. Edo youth. Yes, sir. I have to thank you all very much. Thank you, sir. The state government appreciates what you're doing in the state. They appreciate your talent, they appreciate the skills you are sharing, and they appreciate your level of composure. We thank you for everything, for giving us a very peaceful state, a state that can envy of all other states in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today is International Youth Day, and the state government has come to celebrate with you. They have come to show you that we will support you, we work with you, and we want you to be the leaders, not of tomorrow, but of today.
Youth of this country will have a say. Will not hear me so? Build the nation. Build the nation. Build the youth. Well, we are very happy. We want to first thank the State government for this wonderful opportunity to celebrate our youth. Even though the United Nations has set aside a day to celebrate youth, but if the opportunity is not there, it's not given by the state government, it will be another problem. But for the fact that His Excellency, the Executive Governor, has given us this opportunity through the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs to celebrate ourselves. We thank the Governor, we thank the Commissioner, we thank the Permanent Secretary, and of course all staff of the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs. We also congratulate ourselves for coming out to celebrate ourselves. Appreciation to members of the National Youth Service Corps. I'd like to thank you very, very much. You came to serve Edo State. Today you've gone above the call of duty. I thank you very much. Even though the reason for this is for the youth, which you are, but you didn't have to do it with us. I have to thank you on behalf of the Edo State government, on behalf of the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs. You have been wonderful. I have to thank everybody. When we started this, and when we were planning this, I said, Edo youth, let me take shishi. And I said, the Ministry of Youth, let me give shishi. We're trying to build a new orientation for our youth. In politics, today, people don't do anything unless there's monetary reward. I made it clear from the beginning that there will be no monetary reward. I said those that come out will come out because they want to join in the celebration, and I'm glad we have this number of people who have joined in for that reason. We have a digital governor, a digital and a very youthful deputy governor.
and the members of the State Executive Committee are all tuned in to the 21st and 22nd century, I must say. We know what the youth want, we know what Nigeria wants and what Nigeria deserves, and we'll make sure we provide it one way or the other. It's unfortunate the economy of the world is having a downturn right now, but the state government has made a priority that all salaries are paid and as when due. We also have to thank those people who are in the ministries that make it happen. They are the engine that drives this system. We are just there to give direction, but we do not know the way. I want to thank you very much, everybody here. All the youth groups, I want to thank you. You said you would support me when I said no shishi. You said you would support me, and you are here all here today without shishi. I have to thank you. We have to change the political paradigm of this state. What I mean by changing it is that we have to get involved and to tell whoever we want to support, always asking for support, that we do not do it because of your money, because you want to buy us. We have the intellect and we have the skills to succeed in whatever we put our mind to. That is the characteristic of the Edo man, the characteristic of the Edo youth, men and women. And I thank everybody, and I tell you, this government will support you in every way.
We thank God say this year, August 12, don't come. We don't start celebration. Edo State government don't arrange many events where we take a celebrate them. We don't start them, now we still they do. Even go reach next month, we still they do them. Now long program, now they arrange for us. We know say youth, now be the engine room for our society. As we dey talk, we know say the percentage of youth for Nigeria, even for Edo State today, it pass 70%. If you remove 70% from 100%, wetin remain na small one. So now make am wey be say we dey talk to our youth, make it be say we dey do things wey e go make the society better. Because if that plenty number of people come dey do things wey e go spoil the society, then be say the society go too bad. Because of that one, we dey talk to our youth, we dey do many things so that make our youth for dey do things wey be say they go fit even still take make money for themselves. If be say some wey go learn something wey dem go dey do, they go even dey employ people wey go dey work for them. That time, work wey we dey say e no dey, some of the problem go don still solve. Na make us dey pray now, dey tell our youth everywhere, say as 2023 general election dey come, make all of us involve for the matter, make we involve for the process, make we be say we fit vote person wey get our interest for heart, wey go fit move this country forward, wey go fit move everything about the society forward, make we for dey happy.
I dey here today because I believe in the future of the Nigeria youth. I believe say na youth na get this nation. I believe say Nigeria na our own as youth, because e show for the current INEC registration wey dey go on, the percentage where youth for register 71%. E show say we really get youth for this country, and youth ready to take over the nation. So as a youth of Edo State, I come out, yes, to join my people celebrate the youth, because youth matters a lot. That is why I joined the Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs for this work to mark International Youth Day 2022.
My people, this is CTMC TV, and right now it's under for Ministry of Youth and Humanitarian Affairs to end the road walk where just share to celebrate the International Youth Day. Commissioner can assure you say this one not just be the end, or say Edo State government government when their hearts sort for youth matter. So all the policies when they go make that to make sure say youth they all right for the state. This is CTMC TV, and my name is Omo Aluke Ajakaye.